What's up, guys? Well, they got out the new non-digital torque wrenches. That one there is 10 to 100 foot-pounds. Then they got the big one here. It's 250, 25 to 250 foot-pounds. Nice case. I'm sure they're built in China. Let's see where they're made. Yeah. Oh, made in Taiwan. Yeah. Taiwan's better, even though it is China. But still, Taiwan's where all the quality is. So, yeah, I was here today, guys, and remember I shot the video of the digital one. Now they got the non-digital ones, which I like. Because I don't like the digital stuff, guys. It breaks down too much. So they got the 3/8. This one here is the 3/8, and then that one there is the 1/2 inch. And there's your model number right there for the focus. I can't tell if it's on focus or not. There we go. Let's see this one here. There we go. There's your model number. So yeah, guys, I was up here. I saw that, there's rumors out there that Lowe's is going to start carrying Craftsman tools. So we'll see. Hopefully they'll come up with some better Craftsman tools. They ruin the good stuff. So, alright, guys. This is the Craftsman non-digital torque wrench. I'm waiting for them. They don't have a 1/4 inch yet, guys. So, alright, guys. Till the next time. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.